When we were kids, listening to stories was something we all enjoyed. Stories told by a mother, father, dadi, and nani, or books about clever animals, brave and successful people. Every story taught us something, a new way of living, a different way of thinking. Now that we've grown up, we realize the real heroes are all around us. Welcome to Leading Ladies. Come, let's meet the women who made their own way, who smiled through every challenge and proved themselves at every step. We hope these stories inspire you to achieve your dreams because the next leading lady might just be you. In a small village in Assam lived Chandana Burman. In her heart, she nurtured a big dream to be independent, support her family, and become strong herself. She chose to start making content on YouTube, but not everyone understood her dream. They would ask, is this even a real job? Who will watch your videos? There were questions and taunts too. But Chandana didn't stop. She picked up her camera and every single day made something new. She put up with people's silence and their taunts too. But she never let go of her own belief. And then, the day came when she got the YouTube silver play button. And the same people who once doubted her now started seeing her differently. They saw a girl who dared to dream and worked hard to make it happen. This isn't just a story about success, it's a story of courage, passion, and rising above challenges. The story of a girl who turned her struggles into strength. This is the story of Chandana Burman. I wanted to be financially independent. I also wanted to support my father financially. That's why I thought, why not start YouTube? And since I already danced and loved doing it, I thought, let's start with dance only. So I started my YouTube channel with dance videos. But slowly, problems started coming up. YouTube guidelines were there. You needed a proper camera. So I thought, okay, let's pause dancing for now and start vlogging. And that's how I switched to vlogging. The first challenge, people people just say anything they want to. So many of my relatives came and said to my face, "What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Who's gonna watch you? You're not even a celebrity. Why would anyone be interested in your life?" And the second big problem was when I was making dance videos. I didn't have a good phone. My first, second, and third videos I made using other people's phones. But still, I just kept working hard. It's not like what people said mattered to me. Even now, whatever people say doesn't affect me. I've always been like this. Once I decide something, I go for it. And then my parents saw that I was actually serious and working hard. So, Papa bought me a new phone. And my biggest strength has always been my family. At the time, my mummy papa would actually go around telling people, "This is my daughter's channel, please subscribe." My family has really supported me. It is because of them that I'm here. When my YouTube channel hit 1 lakh subscribers, it felt like I was flying in the sky. And then a month or two later, when my play button arrived and when I got my first YouTube payment, I was just so happy. I felt like finally all the hard work paid off. If you want to become a YouTuber or influencer, there are a few important skills you need. So, first is that your communication skills have to be very good because if you can't connect with your audience, then what's the point? Second is creativity. If you're not creative and if you do not share your unique creative style and new creative ideas, then you won't be able to have a strong connection with your viewers. And the third is a learning mindset and adaptability because trends and algorithms keep changing all the time. So you must be open to learning new tools and you have to be ready. You also need basic technical skills. It's not like you can hire a cameraman or editor from day one. You should at least have basic knowledge of how to edit a video or how to shoot. It's simple stuff and you will be able to do it. And last but not the least, consistency and patience is very important. It's not that you do your first video, start your YouTube channel, and if views don't come, you give up. You have to be patient and maintain consistency on your channel. People work for years before they see results. So, what I would say is be consistent and be patient. If you want to start your own YouTube channel, here are 3 tips that will help you. And the first tip is to find your niche. So, you need to know what topic you want to make your video on or which category. The second tip is just start. Don't overthink. Don't worry if your first video isn't perfect or what people will say. If you don't start now, you never will. I also started just like that. Thought about it today and shot the video tomorrow. I just started. And the third point is be consistent. Consistency is the main key. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If you're not consistent, you'll not be able to remain connected with your audience and you will lose them. I believe that judgment doesn't just happen online. Even in real life, when you try to live life your own way, people will judge you. Why are you doing this and not doing that? You can't live scared of what others will say. You have to overcome the fear of judgment. I did too. I found my why I wanted to do this. If I had kept worrying about what people would say or what they would think, I would have never even started. I realized I'm doing this for my parents. I'm doing this to support my family. I want to move ahead. I want to do something different than what other people are doing. And that's why I did it. Secondly, I learned how to filter negativity. People will always say something or the other. Even now, I get lots of comments that I don't like. And seeing them does feel bad sometimes, obviously. I'm human too. But that doesn't mean I will cry about it and stop my work. I would just like to say that believe in your daughters and listen to them and understand what they want to do. Today, there are many career options. Just because you don't know about them, don't say no to them. Who knows what you don't know might actually be better for them. So just understand properly and then support your daughter so that she can do something good in life with her own choice and happiness. Let your daughters explore new paths and let them follow their passion in life. So, when you believe in them, they will be able to succeed and your belief will be their strength. Chandana's story teaches us that until you achieve success, people do not appreciate you. But that doesn't mean you should stop. Her story is proof that when your belief in yourself is strong, no difficulty can defeat you. There are countless stories like Chandana's that are examples of struggle, courage, and change. And we are just getting started. Stay connected for the next episode. See you with a new story.